Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, nahmaduhu wa nasta'inuhu wa nastaghfiruh. Wa na'udzu billahi min shururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina. Man yahdihillahu fala mudilla lahu wa man yudlil fala hadiya lahu. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wa asyhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu la nabiyya ba'dahu wa rasulullah ba'dahu. Okay guys, so in here, as a host, I wanted to tell you guys about the Italian of and free time again. And for this Friday, the subject is the right principle. It's in the IX design. And our speaker today is Muhammad Rehan Jagratara from XPKC. And first of all, let's pray and thanks to Allah. And then secondly, salutation upon our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. And without any further ado, let's welcome the speaker Muhammad Rehan Jagratara. The stage is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is me. I will talk about Gestalt Principles. My name is Noren Jagatara. You guys already know it by our speaker Akdan Adli Zaki. And today I will talk about Gestalt Principles. I will only explain my basics of Gestalt Principles because that's what taught by the skillful and from. The first one we have uh, law of proximity. But before that, I want to tell first what is Gestalt Principle. Gestalt Principle is a concept for that that tell how our brain organizes visual and the Gestalt principle is made by psychology, history of zoology, but I don't remember the name. The first one is of law of law of proximity. Our brain will recognize elements what is it, that are built in range and the range will our brain will recognize from the same element. Like every you do this, we have no our brain will like this is this element and the below one is the different element. But if we combine here, we will think that this above the below one element is one part and the below one is the different. Now I'm gonna turn to similarity. Similarity is urban will recognize the thing where when the shape or element is same uh, from the color, size, or even the color, size, and shape. We have three like this. We will think this or three is the same element. But if we change this color like this, or we will think this three are different from the below or even the shape. If we change this like um, here or to the circle, we will think this circle are not part of the rectangle because urban will recognize the shape, color, and the size is the main. And when we change the size of this or more letters, urban will recognize the two different from the above or on the shape. I will fix my probably before. This is the law of continuation. or when we'll think this is they are different elements because urban will think that they have separated lines which urban recognize as curve or straight line. But if we move this here and now we copy this, urban will recognize this there are in one element or one group. Uh, okay, so that's all of flow continuation. Welcome to this is after of tutorial for me. Why now we move to law of common agent. So we have the same element this uh just make it same. This program will think this is a same element. But what happens if we create a boundary between this urban will think this within it and the outside of this border or rectangle is are a different part from the outside because urban will have like the because it's in border and it's literal different from the other from the outside. And if we make it larger, we will think this big element in the rectangle is an element from the rectangle, but this one they are not. Even if this element have different color, it urban will think the same uh urban will think same this from this in the rectangle are element from the same group. Now we move to common thread. It's almost same continuation. Uh, the example is for the direction information to if we have this, let's organization to recognize the direction and as the continuation. If we move the here, even if the element is um, outside of the organ, this is still the same same category, same from the same group, like here. It is usually from for photo or sparkle. We move it and this is for the same direction. And when the other one has different It's when the upper and below one are different from different element, even if it's in the same group. When it moves around, and this is not, then they are from different groups. And now we move to the last I know is law of figure ground. Again, we holding the pet in front of us is again will make the highlighter or contrast one is the one that in the front rather than the darker one like for example, not usually in the front. Again, I think this is the second, this is the first page, and yes, because of it in the front, everyone will think this is the bonus page, and will think, but if this is the front, but it's not clearly, we will still think, we will think this is still the main page because this is uh make the big one, we cannot see the big one, so like pop out pop up as the example. This is the front, or this is the front page, and the even if this more lighter than the in the other one, we will still recognize this is uh the front page because of this was the lighter one. But now we'll think this is uh front page because this was this one, because urban will recognize this is, it has something missing or something from this, like which I missed already. Now we recognize this is the front one, and explain this even if this light on this is still uh still the front. Now we change this in front, and this is the front. Maybe that's all I know, or I have learned from material. So thank you for listening. I feel like I have made mistake. Uh, Thank you for listening. Let's head to MC or MC Captain. Right. For then time is yours again.
Speaker, diagram Tara. So thank you for listening our second podcast, and see you guys in the next Friday or maybe next day for the next weekend podcast. And just I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.